What's up, you guys? Zeddy at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to make an extra $1,000 a month on the side in 2019 with your phone. All right, so the cool thing here is that this is definitely possible to do. I've done it over and over again. I'm going to have links in the description if you want to sign up for any of these methods, and feel free to message me below in the comments if you have any questions. Okay, so I'm a huge Texas Hold'em player. I've been playing for like the last 15 years. Ignition Poker is a real money poker app. It's currently the #1 poker site in the US. They do $1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes. They've got tons of cash games, and they've got basically all the traffic right now for, playing Texas Hold'em against other people. The thing is here, though, if you're not into poker, don't worry. I've got some other really good methods, but if you're a poker fiend like myself, this is where you want to be playing. I've had days where I've been up, over $1,000. I've had days where I've been down, probably equally the same, but, over like the last 12 months, 24 months, I've done really well on Ignition, and, you just got to focus, concentrate on what you're doing, try to make well-timed bluffs if you're going to bluff, obviously, and, just play good poker. That's really what it's all about here. They've got fast cash outs on here via Bitcoin, so if you have a Bitcoin wallet, you can get your money out pretty much instantly, and then, of course, they still do check withdrawals as well on here, but Ignition, this is definitely where you want to be at. All right, so since this guy is going to pop me quite a bit, I'm just going to fold this Queen 8. We're going to move on to the next method, though. Like I said, I'm not going to spend too much time on the poker, but, definitely check that out if you like to play Texas Hold'em. All right, so the next app we're going to be getting into is going to be one of my favorites, the Robinhood app for stock trading. Now, stock trading, I'm up, well over somewhere around like 6,000 for the last 12 months. Robinhood is basically the go-to stock trading app for iOS and Android. There are 0 commissions on here, so you can trade stocks and start with as little as $5. Now, I have a decent kind of like mid-sized range amount in here, 4,300. Normally I only keep a couple thousand here at a time, but you can see over the last month, this amount is up about almost $500. So I mean, we're pretty much halfway there on trying to make that $1,000 in a month. The way I do stock trading is I try to just buy and hold for a little bit of time. I swing trade, and then when I'm done making my profit, I sell the stock, and then I basically just cash in. I own a few different ones down here. It looks like it's a pretty green day for everybody, but if you've never bought stocks on Robinhood before, I recommend that, anytime you're doing any kind of like trading, the best way to really get good at this is to, obviously, you have to lose in order to learn. I think that's just how it works for everybody. So don't expect to make money right away with this, but if you practice, start with like a little bit of money at a time, maybe like 50 to 100 bucks, and get the feel for how to stock trade. And then when you're confident, throw some money into it and try to profit. And like I said, you can do this all through your phone. Plus, you can start building your wealth through your phone too, which is really cool. All right, so the next couple of apps we're going to be getting to are going to be in the cryptocurrency space. Now, crypto is something I've been doing for like the last couple of years. I definitely see it continuing to grow and become something that people can make money with. Now, I started off with Coinbase quite a while back. This was actually the first app that I used for buying and selling Bitcoin, and some of these other ones. I had Ethereum at one point, but basically Coinbase is used by over 20 million people. They insure your money up to 250,000, and you can also trade a few of these major cryptos on here. And I always like to show my account to show you that I've actively done this stuff. You can see some of my trades on here. For a couple thousand, 3,000, it kind of just goes on down here if I keep going. But, you get the idea here. I've actively done this stuff, and, I'm not up as much with doing crypto trading as I am stock trading, but, I'm up probably close to like 5,000 over the last 12 months. So, if you combine what I'm showing you here, you can obviously see that I'm, clearing $1,000 a month without really any strain. I mean, this is all relatively pretty easy once you get good at it. Now, what I recommend doing if you want to try trading crypto is that you need to hop over to Binance. Now, Binance is the #1 crypto exchange in the world. They've got over 100 different coins you can trade, and this is really where I've, made all of my money doing the crypto trading. So, the other thing I got to mention, obviously, you're going to need some starting money, whether you're playing poker, stock trading, Binance, crypto trading. But the thing is, normally, if you want to make any significant amount of money, it does help to start with a little bit. So I'm saying if you'd save up a little bit of money and get the ball rolling on some of this stuff, then you'll definitely be happy later on down the road. So Binance, like I said, you can trade up to over 100 different coins on here. As I scroll down the list, you can kind of see, you'll see some of the ones you've already seen, but there's coins like Neo, which is a Chinese coin, IOTA, Ripple, and basically what you can do is you can buy some of these coins, hold them, you can hold them for a day, a week, a month, and try to profit. Obviously, like I said, this is kind of back to trading, and it does take time to get good at trading. It's not just going to happen overnight, but if you practice, you know, obviously you can get really good at it. And like I said, you can do this all through your phone, which is exactly what I do. Now, the next two apps we're going to be checking out are going to be affiliate marketing training apps. If you want to learn how to promote things on the internet, you can actually do this through your phone too, via recording YouTube videos through your phone, Instagram. There's all kinds of ways you can make money with affiliate marketing, and there's two different places I recommend checking out. The first one is going to be with John Crestani. This guy has made millions of dollars online, and it always helps to learn from somebody who's already actually done this, you know, or done something. It just helps. He has some free content. There is some paid content on here. Everything he's got is well worth checking out. You know, I've learned a lot from him, so I'm recommending him to you guys, and he's totally legit. Like I said, he's made millions of dollars. The other affiliate marketing app we're gonna be checking out here is gonna be Affilirama. There's over 20 free video courses on here you can check out for affiliate marketing, and then they've got paid content as well. If you're considering learning how to promote things on the internet, obviously, you know, and honestly, these are going to be my top two recommendations for learning. And, you know, obviously it's worth spending a little bit of money if you want to, you know, get into that. Now, these next two apps are cool. They're not going to make you $1,000 extra a month, but they will make you an extra 100 or so a month, maybe even 200, maybe even 300. The first one we're going to be checking out here is going to be Acorns. Acorns is a robo-automatic advising investing app that takes your money, puts it into low-risk mutual funds and ETFs, and then, of course, you know, you can basically just make money passively. I've seen that you can make about 2 to 5% with Acorns. It does cost $1 a month to use, but, you know, they have different ways you can put money into it. You could do roundups where you connect a debit or credit card to it. It takes change and invests it for you, or you can do recurring deposits. I think everybody should be using Acorns. You'll make more money with this than a bank savings account or checking account, so check them out. It's $1 a month to use, but well worth it. And of course, we're going to be checking out, once again, Inbox Dollars. I love Inbox Dollars, right? Let me see what I've got in this account. I've got like $110 in here. There are different ways you can earn with Inbox Dollars. You can play the games, watch videos, take surveys. But what I've seen is you can make anywhere from $50 to $150 a month if you're using this app. And, you know, this is stuff that you would normally do. So instead of watching a video on YouTube, watch it on Inbox Dollars. Instead of playing a game that you downloaded from the App or Play Store, play a game on here. There's a ton of good games, and that's pretty much it. But you can see I've got 110 in the account, and I'm barely using the app, but I also refer people, which you can do as well. So just to wrap things up here, you know, if you're trying to make an extra $1,000 a month on the side in 2019 with your phone, I mean, you can make it happen right here. I mean, there's tons of great ways to do it. If you're good at poker, you know, you can definitely make some money there. Robinhood, if you want to learn stock trading, you know, hop on there. I think everybody should check that out as well. And of course, crypto trading is getting bigger, and it's back into the trading aspect. But I mean, if you get good at this stuff, then what is an extra $1,000 a month? All right, anyways, guys, I'll throw links in the description if you want to check any of this stuff out. Feel free to message me below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all later.